Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use your Gua Sha tool for sinus nasal relief. We're going to do some great massage exercises using the tool and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage. This will actually really help unblock this area around the nose and then eye area. And also if you have any potential headaches, this will actually help relieve that as well. So first things first, I like to make sure that my tool is, first of all, nice and clean. And I like to start off with no product on the skin. So nice clean skin. Now you don't have to, but I always like to use a facial oil just so you've got a bit of slip and glide, so not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. So just a couple of drops to the fingers. And then you just want to apply by the side of the nose, under the eyes, and then by the cheekbones towards the ears, and then down by the side of the neck down to the collarbone. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the part on the end here, and I'm just going to gently place it between the eyes and just massage this point. It's a great acupressure point. Just going to massage this one way and then the other. And then we're going to work on the temple area. So again, with the end point here, just massaging the temples here. And when it comes to sinuses, I like to start from the top and work my way down. You want to be relieving any of that congestion. And on the other side, again, just really using the tool nice and light, feather light touch. So now we're going to come to the part by the eyes here before we get to the nose. So I'm just going to take the part which is like a top of the love heart, if you like, placing a finger as an anchor, and then between this part actually comes quite nicely by the nostril here, and just very lightly gliding along in an outwards motion towards the temple and the hairline. Moving any congestion. What we're doing here, we're also moving toxins and waste, which is very close to the surface of the skin. Just moving all the way along here. And then on the other side, again, placing hand as an anchor, piece in the middle, coming along. Now, if you don't have a Gua Sha tool, I will place something in the description box down below if you're interested. And if you don't have a Gua Sha tool, you can still do this using your fingers. Use the same principle if you like. So again, just moving nice and light under the eye towards the temples and the side of the head. And then we're just going to take the tool here and just glide down to the front of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And on the other side of the head, down towards the temples to the side of the ears. Right, now let's work a little bit further down now on where the nose is, the nasal area. So again, I'm going to use this part of the tool here, and I'm just gliding down from literally where the eye is here, down the side of the nose towards the nostril. At this point, you may find you will want to swallow as you can feel things literally moving along to the back of the throat. Gently gliding along. And then when you get to the nostril here, just give it a little wiggle. Hold a lot of tension here. And then just take the Gua Sha tool under the cheekbone, nice and flat, so you've got more surface area towards the ear. Again, let's do that again. Again, I always want to swallow while I'm doing this. And you should start to feel a bit of relief. And then again, massaging side of the nose here, and then gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. So let's work on the other side now. So again, top part of the love heart. If you like, you could always use the bottom part, whatever's the most comfortable, and where the eye is here, just gliding down the side of the nose with the tool. This is a light to medium touch. Making sure the rest of the face is nice and relaxed. And then where the nostril is, just really give it a nice circular massage. And then gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. Moving all of that congestion along towards the ear lymph nodes. Let's just do this one more time to really release any of that nasal congestion. So again, side of the nose. Start swallowing. And then again, nice massage, nasal. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. So now I'm going to take the long part here, and I'm just going to come along all the way down from the temples down to the front of the ear where we have those lymph nodes there. And then again, from the nose area, lower part of the face, moving everything along. And then from the back of the head, the ear, again where we have plenty of lymph nodes, nice and light, delicate touch. And then down the big SCM muscle on this side, down to the collarbone for a final lymphatic drainage release. And then on the other side, from the temples, down to the side, front of the ear, and then just from the nostril, lower part of the face. Behind the ear, where we have those lymph nodes as well. And then down the big SCM muscle on the other side, down to the collarbone, and trying to keep this nice and flat for more, again, surface area. So once we've done that, you should be wanting to swallow at this point as everything starts to release. So from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above, I always like to finish off with this, really important. We have some points here. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, start swallowing, this will release all the toxins and waste and any congestion we've moved literally from under the eyes and the nose area as we've pushed it out with our Gua Sha tool, down these big, down to the ears to where the lymph nodes are, into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Please comment down below, tell me how you found this technique, and a thumbs up. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.